vacation prep vlog. I am going to Portugal in a couple of days, so I am just trying to get everything together. It's a very stacked next couple of days. You know how it be when you're traveling, like you have a million Amazon packages, you have a million things to do. I'm gonna be working out like crazy because you gotta get that last minute snatch before you go. I'm taking my lunch break at work. I want to start packing my toiletries today because I'm gonna be by a Sephora and other little shops tomorrow. So if I need anything for my toiletries, I want to be able to get them, and I won't know to get them unless I am already packed and know like what I need. I keep all of my trial and travel size stuff in here. So I have like basically every travel size thing that I need. So typically I like to use this bag for body and skincare stuff. I think this time I'm gonna use it for skincare. So I have an eye cream here. I have my SkinCeuticals Fluorescent CF, which is like a brightening serum. This is of Dr. Barbara Sturm nighttime serum. I'm gonna take that. I might use that one night. La Roche-Posay double repair facial moisturizer. I also have this fresh kombucha facial essence. Oh, this is my body scrub. Oh, this Clinique, this is a spot treatment in case I get some sort of breakout or something while I'm there. Oh, this is the rebalancing face mask from Biologic. I have these. I need to open and smell to see which one is my cleanser. So I just need to go get some of my lotion P50 and drop it in here. And low key, I feel like all my skincare stuff could fit in this little bag. Like I don't feel like I need that big bag. All right, let's do our eyebrows. I'm gonna wax, pluck, and tint my brows. Sally Hansen wax strips is what I use. And I know typically like a lot of people show this and they like are going, you're spending so much money, but I feel like that's really one of the great things about being like a kitchen beautician when it comes to stuff like this. Like I'm in the middle of my work day and I don't have any meetings for a little bit, so I was like, let me take a break and do my eyebrows really fast. You see this right here? Of course this came right before my trip. I've been at first it was like hot and it's kind of going down, but it's like, I don't know, it's like cystic or something, hormonal maybe, I don't know. Honestly, I'm just happy that it's like not super noticeable. I just don't want it to start to scab over because that's like right where I put my concealer, and if it scabs over, my concealer is gonna be looking all crusty and stuff. Ow. This part up here is always hard. Let me just go ahead because my hairline, like literally I just snatched off a piece of my edge right here, but it was necessary because my hairline starts to connect with my eyebrow if I don't. Oh, that felt so good. I'm not even gonna press it in super hard. There's definitely some hair on there that needs to come off. 1, 2, 3. So lightly. A little sting there. It's percolating, but I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit more because I want this tint to last my whole trip. So I'm probably gonna look crazy going to my workout class tonight, but all right, let's take it off now. It's looking pretty dark. So yeah, these are good. They feel good and smooth. I got the peach fuzz off. Lip is waxed without leaving a scab mustache. We're good. So brows are done. Sorry if you can hear the washer, but we're getting ready to head out. We're gonna go get our wax and our facial. Hi. I'm checking in. Niara.
You said Niara?
Yes.
Okay, I'll check in. Belle's finishing up, but she should be out shortly.
And can you tell me how many passes I have left?
For sure. After today, we'll have 4.
4. Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right, we just left from getting our wax. Nothing like it. Like you walk out, you feel like a new person. I usually take an Advil or a leave before, but I forgot this time. My facial is at 2:30, so it's kind of early. It's only 2 o'clock now. So I'm walking down to CVS because I need like a foot scrubber to scrub my feet, and I also need some gum because I know I'm be talking my head off when I get my facial. And I haven't I don't want to be in there talking to her with funky breath. This is truly confusing me. I just want a little pumice stone. Usually, like, when you don't want them, that's when you see them all the time. Not a...
Place your... Select number of CVS bags used.
I don't know when it became so hard to find, like, a pumice stone. But CVS didn't have one. So now I'm gonna head to my wax appointment. It's like 2 something where I wax my facial. Hopefully she can take me a little earlier. Hi. I'm good. How are you? I was like, I don't know if she can take me earlier. Because I was just next door. I got a wax next door. And I was like, this is so convenient. Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. Like, we're right next to each other.
I was like, I'm going to keep booking them on the same day.
Yeah, I was like that.
Okay, we just left getting our facial. Our skin looks so good. We did do the microdermabrasion. But because I waxed around my brows and my lip yesterday, she couldn't go over those parts, which is fine. But yeah, she did that. And she also told me with the microdermabrasion to make sure that I wear a lot of sunscreen the next couple of days so I don't get any extra hyperpigmentation. And then she did the little like zap thing, you know, those little like glass globe things they have with like electricity in there. I don't know, she zapped this thing, so hopefully like it'll go down. Got 2 things at Sephora actually. I got a little mini eyeshadow. This is from the Sephora collection. It's in the shade Sweet Brownie. I don't really like colorful eyes. You guys have asked me on here before, can I do more colorful like eye makeup looks? If you want that, go way back on my YouTube. I have a bunch of them, but I'm just not in that era anymore. And I also got, now I've tried pink setting powder before, but everybody's just raving about this one from One Size, so I want to try it. So I got the pink setting powder from One Size. I don't know if I'm going to take this with me because I don't really experiment with stuff like that. We're done with class this morning. It's like 8:30. I'm waiting to get picked up. Also, I feel like somebody's gonna ask me too, how do I keep my hair up when it's in a silk press? I just only work out like this once a week, whereas like with my braids and stuff, I can do it twice a week. So the to-do list for today was 1, to work out, which we just did. I need to go to Target really quickly today, but I don't know when I'm going to be able to do that. I'm going to get copies of our passports. I've never done this before, but I just saw on social media like you should have a paper copy of your passport as well as, like, you know, your physical copy, and then also leave a paper copy of your passport with somebody here, in case something were to happen. Like, you have proof that you have a valid passport, and it won't take as long to work it out, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to make copies of it. And then I also need to finish trying on outfits. That's part of the reason why I need to go to Target, because I want to get like some like loungy pants. I have a bunch of loungy pants, but I want some more. Little claw clips in here. Ooh, these little sets I love. Might as well get a red one while I'm here. Target t-shirt that I tell you guys about all the time. My Target has them fully in stock. If you don't see them, like, just look. They have like the little ribbed collar. Like, they're so comfortable. So I guess that's it for the clothes. I guess I'm just gonna wear what I have. Do you need anything else over here? Yeah, I definitely think this is gonna be my next like purchase slash investment, is a smaller camera like this.
How many copies you want?
Just two.
One's 25.
I think today is the last day that I have to do anything. I packed up my suitcase last night. We're at Old Navy. Not for me, but I might find something in here. But I was also informed yesterday that I need a laptop case. Like, I can't just have my computer just like out. Like, it should go in a case. Not like it has to, but like it should, which I didn't know. So I'm gonna get one of those today. Oh, they have the pumpkins down at Jewel. These are my nails. I just did them like a neutral shade. I'll link it down below. It's a D&D polish. I was gonna do a French tip, but lately I feel like my gel has been chipping, and I just wanted something that if it does chip, it's not very noticeable, and just clean short nails. So that's what we're going with for the vacation slash wedding. And I feel like it's very wedding appropriate too. This is the only case we have available at Walmart. Laptop case was secured, but it's ugly. You can go to Target if you want things to be aesthetically pleasing. Walmart is for effective and cost efficient. I had to sit down and make sure I recorded at least 3 videos to get me through next week. I used to have like a really good backlog of videos, where I had like 5, 6, whatever videos always like in the cut waiting to go up, but I don't really have that backlog right now anymore, so I need to kind of build it back up. And I wanted to make sure that while I'm away, there's no like lapse in content on Instagram, on TikTok, or on YouTube. YouTube is like my main platform, but I'm trying to grow on my TikTok and my Instagram, and the only way you can really do that is being consistent. So if you are a content creator or whatever, and you're just trying to like prepare for going away somewhere, that would be like my number one thing. Like, what content do you already have planned to go up? So I just filmed like 3 different YouTube videos. I now need to film a TikTok. I think that's the end of this vlog. I don't have anything else really. If you're interested in this makeup look, it will be up on my channel soon, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.